Hey there, everyone. Returning to the Wealthy Coin, where you can get all your cryptocurrency fill, is a pleasure. Hey everyone, the 26th of February is upon us. Thursday is the day of the monthly close. I'm looking forward to seeing how the month ends. Keep in mind that in order for us to become extremely bullish, the whole market valuation of cryptocurrencies must rise beyond $2 trillion and Bitcoin must remain above 48,500. Right now, we're on the brink. We can witness this change in the blink of an eye, but the overall market cap of cryptocurrencies is $1.99 trillion. Protocol Village and a novel approach to creating a cryptocurrency custodian wallet using email clients like Gmail will be discussed in this episode. FTX Bitcoin Indicator and CZ Binance will be our topics of discussion. It seems to be implying that leveraged traders may experience a washout. The AM is soon to be certified, and Stuart Alderati will be speaking about how liquidity is the key to XRP. Be careful with that. Following that, we will discuss Bitcoin and JP Morgan, since wise old Jamie Dimon has stated that the price of Bitcoin has already been calculated. I disagree with him. I will reveal the reason to you. Finally, we will wrap off this discussion with a Bitcoin chart outlining the possible ends to this bull cycle that might last until 2025. Yes, what you heard was accurate. Forget the introduction, we'll get right into it. Bitcoin 51,100. In the previous day, it has lost 1.22% of its value. Ethereum, it has risen from $3,050 to over $3,000. XRP is trading at a pitiful 52 cents, while USDT and USDC have risen 0.29% to 99 cents each. Its decline comes to 3.03%. I did it with Keith on Friday in case you missed the live stream. We discussed how the 50 and 200-day moving averages could lead to a decline in XRP price. Also, what does this show us? At this very moment, XRP has dropped 3%. It appears that his chart was absolutely correct. Within that more condensed time window, everyone was really bullish. When Keith got on, he ripped the charts to shreds, and have a look at what we have here. Some XRP price decline. Can it fall any lower? $0.50 or even $0.50 worth of XRP is possible. Be that as it may, if we do fall that low, Keith warned us that it won't remain there for long before being propped up to the current level between 53 and 56 cents. Our time will come, but it hasn't arrived yet. I think XRP starts to take off around 30 to 60 days before the market opens. We are nearing the end of the month. Can you explain that? Holding Lux Lions will result in a return of XRP for all holders on March 1st? With more over 400 distinct Lux Lions holders. On Saturday, we conducted an auction that broke all previous records. We struck a deal with the board of Blockchain Alliance, so if you're not involved with Lux Lions NFTs, we can talk about a one-on-one. Seated on our board is the ex-CTO of Cool Cats. All of us are being led in the proper path by him. I am scheduled to make a significant presentation tomorrow to approximately 40 different venture capitalists from Lux Lions. Would you like to discuss the beginning? Everyone, this is the earliest you can get. Now is the moment to enter. An NFT should be held soon. We added the ability to pay using credit or debit cards, so you can pay with that method and receive XRP back for holding the NFTs. Alternatively, you can pay with $165, which comes out to almost 300 XRP, or slightly less than 294. You get more back if you hold more. Let that sink in. For the duration of the project, that is. It's not like that happened once. In December of 2024, you purchase an NFT. Holding onto XRP will ensure its return. Buying an NFT every single month isn't absolutely necessary. All you have to do is purchase and hold. You can purchase 10 this month and then never have to buy another one. Also, you can expect to receive your XRP back. I am working on this. An actual person, a name, and a face behind an endeavor. A couple more metaverses are getting set to debut, and we're around 18 months into this project. Today, I have to go over some paperwork related to it. An email-based wallet solution is now available from Protocol Village, Ethmail. Quite a significant development. This was announced quite recently. Please tell me. This is easy. Ethmail, which calls itself the Web3 email solution, has released an email wallet solution. Users can now build non-custodial wallets using their Gmail or Apple accounts in less than a minute. By providing a comfortable and accessible entry point, EILB helps users navigate the Web3 realm and avoid the steep learning curve that is associated with it. EILBO facilitates the purchase, transfer, and receipt of digital assets and grants access to Web3 services to users who do not yet have one. The transition from Web 2 to Web 3 is going well, therefore this is a positive development. Nearly everyone these days uses either Apple's iCloud or Gmail. Nothing that would likely apply to over 95% of people. Your very own cryptocurrency wallet is now at your fingertips with just a single click. An answer to Whale Fund Capital was this statement released by Stephen Doroff. U.S. Attorney's Office formally requests CZ Binance to relinquish Pep Sports prior to sentencing. Breaking news. According to Stephen Doroff, there is much conjecture that Binance CEO CZ was instrumental in bringing down SPF and FTX through his involvement in the investigation. This, according to some, is the reason the DOJ is after him, and he might go to jail as a result. Some have suggested that SPS Operations was involved in a bigger operation to launder money to politicians and other powerful people, and this is the true motivation behind the accusations. There may be even less faith in the Bitcoin market if this turns out to be true. We can understand his actions now. Money was being channeled to politicians by him. He was funneling funds from you to politicians. In my opinion, did CZ Binance betray him? To a certain extent, I disagree. When the competition is fierce, this is the result, isn't it? It was Binance and FTX via CZ Binance. They weren't far apart. A quarrel broke out between them. Behind the scenes, we know things were happening. I think CZ even told FTX they would help them bail him out while he was in jail, and someone may tell me I'm wrong, but I think that's what happened. That is really intriguing. As far as anyone can tell, there was probably a lot of underhandedness going on behind the scenes, but that's just speculation. The Bitcoin indicator is pointing to the possibility of leverage washouts. The ratio between Bitcoin futures and option volatility has more than doubled this year, indicating extremely high levels of speculation and leverage. In anticipation of a breakout, which I think is imminent, Bitcoin prices have remained within a tight range over the past several weeks. After this month's closure, I think we can revise our Bitcoin targets. I'm still betting on $55,000 as the next target. For all my long-term investors and leveragers, I do not anticipate a retracement of the 48,500 range. A crucial indication for Bitcoin is shown by Bitcoin futures and options, which suggests a liquidity drain from the leverage market. When going long on Bitcoin, tread carefully. Exercise caution right now. There will be a massive monthly close. We understand that this is the clip from 2022 that Stuart Alderati provided. He was having a conversation with the Singapore Monetary Authority head and the head of the Bank of Singapore. Most likely not. No, I know he says no, utility requires liquidity, not the other way around, and it's all about speculation. Pay attention. Retail speculators will bear the brunt of irrational speculation in any asset class, but notably in inefficient markets. However, my question to the panel is this: do you all agree that speculation underpins liquidity, which in turn underpins the utility of any asset? And if you think that's true, how can we make crypto markets work so that responsible speculation may produce usefulness for things like international payments and trade? These claims are intriguing, aren't they? Simply put, what are we observing here? So we're keeping an eye out for the XRP ledger to enable the automated market maker. We are aware that it is going to be passed, and they discovered a small bug. The bug has been fixed. Now everyone is reconsidering their vote. This should be visible by the end of March or the start of April. I also believe that the automated market maker will contribute to the liquidity of the XRP ledger and the pairing of XRP with JP Morgan, which is a favorite among many.